Okay, in this session, you will notice that this is the three field plots. There are issues in here in which if you look into the author's keyword field, you will notice that accounting information system, which is in plural, and accounting information system in singular has been separated because Biblioshiny treats these two keywords as a separate keywords while it is actually the same. And if you go down here, you'll notice there's another keywords that actually refer to accounting information system as well. So it's in abbreviations format. This one is need to be harmonized accordingly, in which AIS, accounting information system, accounting information systems are going to be presented as a single keywords. This need to be what we call as harmonized. So the data or the keywords that are going to be presented is here is going to be standardized, especially those who are actually have similar meanings. However, it's been presented differently. Of course, because okay, the Biblioshiny is recognized it according to the similar terms. Although if there are hyphen in somewhere in the keywords, it will recognize it as different term. So this one need to be harmonized or clean. So how are we going to do that? So we need to first download the Bibliometrix file, download or export. So we're going back to the data, okay, under import and load file. You will notice that there's export Bibliometrix file here. So you can save this one as Excel. So you can export it, the data. Once you export, you will okay, there will be a Excel file here. So you just open this file. Okay, just click yes, and then just delete this one, and you can just open this one. Okay, make this file bigger. This is one is actually the data sets. The data sets of the collections of the literature for the subject being studied. In this case, it contains 544 lists of documents related to AIS. So I'm going to make this one a little bit bigger so everyone can see. Our problem just now is about the author's keyword. So author's keyword is in this column under DE. DE stands for author's keyword. So what we're going to do now is we need to use the okay, the issues that we find earlier is about the terms of accounting information systems, and accounting information systems and AIS has been presented differently. So we need to standardize it. So we just highlight this column and use the find and replace features in Excel. So you just go to here, use the replace button, and then find okay, items. Okay, for example, we want to find accounting information system. So we just type accounting. Okay, make it bigger, accounting information systems, system without S, and put this semicolon. Okay, you can just copy this one and then place it here and change it with S. Okay, so since you already highlight this one, this means you're going to replace this term to this one. So we just click replace all. So now all the 143 terms in AIS in single format has been changed to AIS in plural format with S. So all accounting information system has been clear, and you will notice again. Okay, if I so if you look, I just noticed in here, you will notice that accounting information systems, and in brackets they put AIS here. So you need to standardize it as well, because in Biblioshiny they will treat this one is different. So what you're going to do now is you just put AIS here, and you will notice here, and you can click replace all. So 4 replacement has been made. How about the one that have AIS? Okay, AIS. So you have to make sure about this semicolon. Otherwise, some of the item, for example, AIS application will be replaced as well. Okay, to make sure you can just click find next. Okay, to see whether there are any related. This one is about CBAIS. It's not. So you go to next. This one AIS. So you just click replace. This one also AIS. Replace. Replace one by one. Okay, this one CAIS, so it's not AIS, so you just go find next. This one have AIS here, you click replace. AIS here, replace. AIS also replace. AIS replace. AIS replace. Okay, let's see if there is any. This one is referred to MyS, so find next. This one AIS replace. This one you can have a look in the top field, or you can just have a look into the cells that has been highlighted. Okay, just click replace. Replace is for item that has been found. Replace all, they will simply replace all the things that you're going to find in one shot. But you have to be careful to make sure that you not replace other terms, just like CAIS or MAIS just now. So if your number of collections is huge, then it will take extra time. But if the number of collection is not, then it's going to be easier. I think just now we already replaced this one, right? So seems it's not been replaced, so we can just copy again this one and replace it again. AIS. Okay, fine. Okay, replace, 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 replace. Oh, seems that there are a lot of replace. Okay, so there's no more to change. Okay, you just close that one. You need to do the same for the other terms if you found any in this Excel file. So once you've done this part, you can just save it. Save this one. Okay, this one. Okay. Just cancel it a little bit. Okay, I can just again save. Okay, you can name it Bibliometrix Export File. Name it new, or any names that you prefer or edited. Edited. Okay, and save. So once you save it, going back to Biblioshiny and browse right now, you need to upload the load bibliometrics file, browse for the one that you just save. It's called Bibliometrix edited, open and start. So assuming that the AIS has been changed, so you go to 3 field plots, okay, and apply. Okay, you'll notice that accounting information systems now is now in single font. So can we say that the data has been clean? No, it's not. Why? You will notice here again, information systems and information system also need to be harmonized. So then what you need to do? Do the same process for just like what you did again. Okay. How are you probably going to find other keywords or term as well? So I think in the next sections, I will explain on how we can identify which issue, which terms that need to be replaced. But I think for time being, you know that how we can conduct the data cleanings using these what we call techniques of find and replace in Excel. Thank you very much.